Hey everybody, Douglas here from Rev Rides, and today we're going to teach you how to change the handlebars on your Vsett scooter. Let's get to it. You will need a size 4 and size 3 millimeter Allen key. You'll need 2 large zip ties to hold the blinker to your handlebar grip to be sure that it doesn't rip out. You will also need 4 zip ties to replace the ones already on your scooter. This is an optional tool to use, a ballpoint 3 millimeter hex key. You will also need a pair of clippers to snip any zip ties that you may have. Solid handlebars are another great option to switch out on your Vsett scooter. First, to replace the handlebar, you're going to clip any zip ties holding your wires together. Be sure not to clip any wires, as that could cause more complications than we started with. Now you'll need your size 3 and 4 Allen key to loosen all of the accessories on your handlebar. First, I'm loosening all of my size 3 millimeter hex keys. Now I'm going to use the ballpoint 3 millimeter Allen key, so that way I can loosen the LCD at an angle. Now I'm using my 4 millimeter hex key to loosen the brakes on the scooter. Next, you need your large zip ties to hold your handle grips to your blinker. Now let's start removing our accessories. First, fold the handlebars on your scooter. If you have a solid handlebar, you will need to remove this cover here and fully remove the handlebar to be able to get your accessories off. Now that the handlebars are folded down, pushing all the accessories together, we're going to slide them off at the same time to be sure the blinker isn't ripped out. Now, lay the blinker against your grip, grab your large zip tie, and zip them together. Not too tightly to ensure that you're not damaging the wire. Now, let's do the same on the other side. Grab your zip tie and attach the blinker to the grip. Again, we're going to grab our size 4 Allen key. This is to remove the handlebars. Now that our accessories are removed, let's get rid of the handlebars. Make sure to loosen the screws evenly to be sure that they do not bend. Now we're going to put our new handlebars onto the scooter. For this top piece, you want to try and make it even spacing on top and bottom. It's here and here. When tightening, be sure to tighten the screws evenly as they start to grab the metal to be sure that you're not bending it one way. Now that all the screws are starting to grab, I'm going to back them off just a little bit. And then fold up our handlebars to help find where we want them set. Right about there. Then we're going to tighten back our handlebars. If you're using a third-party handlebar, such as solid handlebars, be sure to check the torque settings that may be listed on the handlebar or their directions. Now we're going to fold the handlebars back down and put our accessories back on. Now we're grabbing the clips again to cut the zip tie on the grips. So make sure we have all of our accessories for the right side first. And then we're going to cut our zip tie. Careful not to cut your grip or the blinker wire. First, we're going to slide on the LCD. And then the brake. And then the grip. Now we can fold our handlebar up on this side and tighten it in. Now let's do the same on the other side. Be sure not to clip the blinker. First is going to be the Sport DDM button. Next is going to be your horn button. Then your brake. And lastly, your grip. Now tighten it all down. Then you're ready to tighten your accessories. To tighten our accessories, we're going to need our 3mm and 4mm Allen key again. You can tighten your accessories back down in any order. I'm going to start with the brakes. Be sure to tighten them evenly, as you want all the threading to be even top to bottom. Now I'm going to grab my 3mm Allen key and tighten the other accessories. Now I'm going to use my optional 3mm ballpoint Allen key and tighten the LCD. Now we will replace the zip ties that we cut off in the beginning. Put one in front and behind of the LCD plug. Then do the same on the other side for the Sport and DDM switch. Having zip ties isn't a necessity, but it makes your scooter look cleaner and feels for a better ride. Now you know how to change the handlebars on your Vsett scooter. Be sure to like and subscribe for more riding and repair videos, and come ride with us.